I'm Vanessa Pescosolido and I'm here with the Dormer Pramet president Stefan Steenstrup. Hello Stefan, thank you for joining us today. We are now at the end of 2018. And what are your thoughts about the last 12 months?
Hello Vanessa. Yes, I can't believe another year is coming to an end. Looking back not just over the last 12 months, but over the history of Dormer Pramet since 2014, I think we have achieved some fantastic results. We have made significant strides forward, and this is thanks to the hard work of our colleagues around the world. Also, the support from customers, partners and suppliers during this time has been invaluable, and we really appreciate the support that they have been giving us.
What will be our focus in the new year?
We have created an excellent foundation from which we can develop and further grow in 2019. We must continue down the road we're on and strengthen our position as a reliable supplier of high-quality tools supported by market-leading services which businesses around the world can trust. This will be enhanced by further developing our digital channels and also expanding our factories to meet increased market demand. We will also create new products that meet market demands and enhance our daily guidance and expertise that we offer our customers every day in the markets. We are very excited about the new year and look forward to building on these achievements.
Thank you, Stefan. And thank you for watching. Have a great holiday. We will see you in 2019. Goodbye.